what I chose to talk about was black holes, because I don't know anything about them and I find them really interesting, because scientists can't see what and where they are. They can only see dust and rocks and light get sucked into it. So I found out that there are 3 types. The first one is a stellar black hole, which is really big stars collapsing, and when a lot of the stars do it within each other, like close to each other, they eventually form a black hole. And it's mostly dust and gas that gets sucked into it. The second black hole is the supermassive, which is the biggest of them all, which means it's very dominant. And when it gets to eat all the dust and the gas, it grows to enormous sizes, and that results in hundreds and thousands of tiny black holes that tend to merge together. The last one is the intermediate black hole, which is stars that create a chain, which then forms the black hole. And what scientists know about them is that when something gets sucked into it, it can't escape again. It's gone. And as I've said before, scientists can't see the holes. They can only see the gas and the dust get sucked into it, and that's how they tend to know where they are. And a black hole is a very strange and mysterious phenomenon, and they don't really understand them fully yet and are still investigating, or what you call it. And when you hear about a black hole, you think it's like a vacuum cleaner, like it sucks things into it, but that's not the case. It's actually objects just falling into it, which then creates it to grow and stuff. And when stars get close to a black hole, it eventually gets destroyed and breaks apart or fall apart, which I think it's pretty amazing how that works. And there are so many black holes in the universe, which only intends to be a big issue, I think. But I find it interesting, and that's what I wanted to talk about.